Okay, in today's tutorial, it's just a quick one. I'm going to show you how to install fonts on GIMP. So in the last video, I showed you how to install them. I apologize, I sort of forgot. I'm not using GIMP Portable at home, I'm using the full version. Here's how you can install any font that you want that you've downloaded online into GIMP. So the first thing I'm going to show you is just quickly how to access it. Then we're going to close GIMP, download a font, and see how it all works. First thing you need to be aware is where to go to access downloading fonts or changing how GIMP looks at fonts. What you'll need to do, here's our file menu where we go to create new documents. We actually want to go to edit. We're going to go down to preferences. Now when you have the screen that appears, we want to go down here to folders, and if you notice there's a little plus sign next to it, meaning we can expand the selection. And here are all the different folders that house the information for some of the brushes that are available, our patterns, more importantly to us, for our different fonts or our different type of text. So you can select that. And what it has here is actually all the different locations that GIMP Portable looks to on our computer in order to grab its fonts or to store the font information. So what you'll have to do in order to change that is go to this selection here and allow you to actually specify or go select a folder that you want to use. Now on my desktop, I've already created a folder called GIMP Fonts to put all my downloaded fonts in. You can make this folder on your U drive. Keep in mind if you put it on your desktop it will disappear. So now it's going to go to GIMP Fonts on my desktop, Blake Morin on my C drive in order to access any fonts that I download. Meaning when I grab them off of the net, I have to make sure that I save them into this folder. The next thing that we'll see is we actually have to restart GIMP in order for it to work. So before you download a font, I would recommend you close GIMP. Have a chance somewhere on your U drive to create a folder called GIMP Fonts. I've already done one here, if you'll notice on my desktop. And now we'll go online and we'll download a font. So I'm going to take a moment, bring up a web page with some fonts on it, and I'll walk you through from that process. So I've brought up the web page that I've had open before. Here's the font that I want to download. Let's take another one so I can just walk you through the process here of starting off. So I'll scroll down, see if there's another font that I like. As I said, I'm pretty picky with my fonts. Kind of like that one. Uh-oh. This one seems crazy. It's got Kanyeezy on it. Maybe we'll download it. I don't like that one. There's one cool one I saw here. Maybe we'll take this one. Or do I already have that one? I think I already have it, actually. I want to choose one I don't have. Actually, this one's nice and clean. Static free fonts. I'm going to click on download. You'll notice it's downloading here. I've got it opened up, and if you'll notice, this one actually comes with a whole bunch of different font files. It's got its bold and italic, bold, italic, or just a regular one. So actually, I'm going to take this. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to put it onto my folder where I've got GIMP fonts. So this will be on your U drive. Mine, it's going to be here on the top. So I've already got one font. I'm going to paste another font in here. So there's my static extension OTF, and if I open it up, it gives me a little preview of what it looks like. A nice clean font. So now what we're going to do is we're going to reopen GIMP. Keep in mind it should be closed right now. Portable. We'll open it up. And I can jump right in and see if it worked. This one was called static. So on the S's, let's see if it's there. And there's my font. So if I were to create a new document, or if you were already working on your existing one, let me go in our user font. I start typing, I should be able to go over here and change it to that static font. And then I can play around with the size. Now we've got a font that was not previously available in our workspace that we can incorporate into our graphics that are making. If you have any problems trying to install a font, remember you can always check out this video again, or raise your hand, I'll come around and see you.